Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write and send an email in Gmail. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you get your messages out quickly, professionally, and efficiently. Let's start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox with all your emails. To write a new email, look for the Compose button on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it and a new message window will open. This is where you'll write your email. First, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Make sure it's correct because this is where your email will be sent. You can also add multiple recipients if you want to send the same message to more than one person. Next, fill in the subject line. The subject gives your recipient a quick idea of what your email is about, so keep it clear and concise. A good subject line makes your email look professional and increases the chances that it will be read. Now it's time to write the body of your email. Click in the main text area and start typing your message. You can add greetings, explain your purpose, and include any details your recipient might need. Gmail also gives you formatting options like bold, italics, bullet points, and links to make your message clear and easy to read. If you need to attach files, look for the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Click it to upload documents, images, or other files directly from your computer. You can also insert images, GIFs, or even use Google Drive links to share large files. Once your email is ready, take a moment to review it. Make sure the spelling, grammar, and details are correct. When you're satisfied, click the Send button at the bottom. Your email will be delivered instantly to the recipient. And that's it. Writing and sending an email in Gmail is simple once you know the steps. You can also save drafts if you need more time, or use Gmail's scheduling feature to send emails later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials to make your Gmail experience easier and more efficient.